How are you all? Enjoying? Yeah, I'm back, your science teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Full. So, what we were doing? We were doing the chapter Components of Food. Right? What we were doing? Components of food. So, in this chapter, what we have discussed? We have discussed about nutritions, nutrients, energy giving food. Energy giving food was carbohydrates and fats. Next, proteins, bodybuilding food we have done, and in last lecture we have discussed about vitamins, right? The protective foods, protective nutrients, right? What? Vitamins. Now today we will discuss about minerals. What? Minerals. So in minerals are like vitamins. Vitamins are essential for our body to keep us healthy and to keep away from diseases, to keep away or to protect us from diseases. What vitamins do? It protects us from diseases. That's why they are known as protective food. Same as minerals. Minerals are also protect us from diseases, right? So minerals are also known as protective foods. This is the basic thing about minerals, that it is a protective food and it protects us from diseases, and we take it in a very small quantity, as in we need just 4% of minerals. If we have a food, in that we need just 4% of minerals. Just 4% of minerals we need in our food. So we need it in very less quantity, very small quantity, like vitamins. Vitamins are also needed in a very small quantity, same as minerals are also needed in a very small quantity of just about 4% in our food. Alright, so let's talk more about minerals. Minerals are like vitamins, help our body to stay healthy. To stay healthy means it keeps us away from diseases, deficiencies, diseases we talked about. Okay, it keeps us healthy, that means it keeps us away from diseases. So they are known as protective food, protective nutrients. Alright, so minerals perform many functions such as formation of bones, teeth, blood cells in our body. We have bones, we have teeth, blood cells. All these are formed by minerals. If we never take minerals, then our bones will be weak, our teeth will be weak, and our blood cells will not form. Okay, so for growing, to keep us healthy, to keep our bones healthy, our teeth healthy, we need minerals in our food. Alright, so minerals are very important, unlike vitamins, which are organic substances. So vitamins are organic substances because it we can get from vegetables, and we grow vegetables by ourselves. That's why they are organic substances. But minerals are found in rocks and soil. That's why it is inorganic. It is not present in our food, in our vegetables. Minerals are found in rocks and soil. Okay. Now from where we can get minerals? We can get minerals from vegetables. How? Because vegetables don't have the minerals. So how we can get minerals from vegetables? Vegetables, when vegetables were growing, it absorbs minerals from soil. Vegetables किस में grow करते हैं? Soil में. ठीक है? तो at the time of growing, vegetables absorb minerals from soil. Alright, and then when we eat these vegetables, we get minerals from vegetables, because vegetables got these minerals from soil. Okay, so these are the very important points about minerals. That minerals keeps us healthy. It forms our bones, teeth, and blood cells. Vitamins are organic substances. Minerals are inorganic. because they are found in rocks and soil. Okay, vegetables absorb minerals from soil and then we eat vegetables and get minerals, right? Now next is sources of minerals. From where we can get minerals? What are the sources of minerals? These are the main sources of minerals. Minerals in food like veal, carrots, radish, asparagus, sardines, potatoes, cheese, eggs, milk, yogurts. From all these things we will get minerals. Okay, by eating all these things we can get minerals. Okay. Now next we will talk about some minerals which are essential for our body. Some minerals are there which are essential for our body. We should take them in a proper regular manner, right? So what are they? Calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, potassium. All these are the minerals which our body required, which are essential for our body. Let's talk about in detail about them. Let's talk in detail. Okay. So first mineral is iron. Okay, now concentrate here. It is a very important part. It will help you in growing. Okay. So first is iron. Iron help in formation of a red color pigment called hemoglobin in our blood. See, our blood is of red color, right? Our blood is of red color. Why it is of red color? Because of hemoglobin. Our blood is of red color. Why? Because of hemoglobin, right? This pigment is essential for transport of oxygen through blood. See, our blood flows from one part to the other part of our body, right? And in blood oxygen flows. Okay? Oxygen flows in our parts, in our body parts. How? Oxygen flow in from one part of our body to the other part of our body through blood. Okay, oxygen flows through blood. If we get less amount of hemoglobin, then oxygen will not flow properly and we will not get oxygen in all our body parts, right? So to increase hemoglobin in our blood, to increase the number or the percentage of hemoglobin in our blood, we need iron. Okay, by iron we can improve our hemoglobin and we will get the transport of oxygen in each and every part of our body. Now how we can take iron and increase the percentage of hemoglobin? By having green leafy vegetables, apple, jaggery, tamarind, figs, guava. By eating all these things, we can get iron, and by getting iron we can improve our hemoglobin in our blood, right? Now second is calcium. It is essential for the development of healthy bones and teeth. To keep our bones and teeth healthy, we need calcium in our body. Alright. Present in food. From where we can get calcium to keep our bones and teeth healthy? From milk products like curd, cheese, buttermilk. All these are the milk products. By having all these things, we can make our bones and teeth healthy. Eggs, broccoli, turnip, all these things are essential to get calcium and to keep our bones and teeth healthy. Alright. So third mineral is phosphorus. It is also required for healthy bones and teeth. Third mineral is phosphorus. Like calcium, it also keeps our bones and teeth healthy. From where we can get phosphorus? From milk, fish, bananas and whole grains. From all these things we can get phosphorus, right? So till yet we have discussed about 3 One is iron, which improves our hemoglobin. And from where we can get iron? Green leafy vegetables, apple, jaggery, tamarind, figs and guava. All right. Next is calcium. Calcium keeps our bones and teeth healthy. And from where we can get calcium? Milk products, eggs, broccoli, turnip. Right. Third is phosphorus. Phosphorus also keeps our bones and teeth healthy. From where we can get phosphorus? Milk, fish, bananas, whole grains. From all these things we can get phosphorus. Okay. So remember, our blood is of red color because of hemoglobin. Alright. So next minerals are, fourth mineral is iodine. Right. Iodine is essential for the normal functioning of the body and its growth and development. To grow our body, to develop our body, okay, we need iodine. हमारे बॉडी का एक एक पार्ट अच्छे तरीके से फंक्शन करे, फॉर दैट वी नीड आयोडीन. एंड फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन गेट आयोडीन? आयोडीन वी कैन गेट फ्रॉम सॉल्ट. वी यूज सॉल्ट इन अवर फूड, दैट सॉल्ट गिव्स अस आयोडीन. ओके, it is present in seafood. Seafood means the food we can get from sea, like fish, prawns. These are seafood, and from all these things we can get iodine. All right. Next is potassium. It is required for building muscle, maintaining normal body growth. Okay, so it helps us in build muscles, our muscles. Potassium helps us in building muscles. Okay, and maintaining normal body growth. It maintains our normal body growth. It builds our muscles and it grows our body. It helps us in grow. So from where we can get potassium? Potassium we can get from meat, fish, milk, broccoli, pea, tomato, potato, citrus fruits. What are citrus fruits now? Tomato, lemon, orange, grapes, all these are the citrus fruits. And from banana, kiwi, apricot, from all these things we can get potassium. All right. To build our muscles and to grow, we have to take potassium. We should take potassium. All right. Next is sodium. For proper functioning of muscles, to keep our muscles healthy, and nerves in the body. Our body, we have nerves. नसें होती हैं हमारी बॉडी में, that are nerves. To keep it healthy, to keep our muscles and nerves healthy, to keep their functioning properly, we should eat sodium. Okay, for our healthy muscles and nerves, for their proper functioning, we need sodium. And from where we can get sodium? We can get sodium from milk. Okay, table salt or sodium chloride is also added to several. Our salt, table salt is normal salt we take in our food items. From there we can get sodium. All right, from salt we can get sodium and iodine both. All right. So sodium, from where we can get sodium? From milk and salt. Fluorine. Next is fluorine. It keeps our bones and teeth healthy, like calcium and phosphorus. Like calcium and phosphorus. Fluorine is also help in keeping our bones and teeth healthy. All right. If we take excess of fluorine, if we take large amount of fluorine, it will cause teeth problems like fluorosis. Okay, this fluorosis is due to fluorine. Fluorine is present in traces in water and seafood. Seafood and in water we will get fluorine. ठीक है, from seafood and from water we will get fluorine. It should be in proper amount. Okay, not less and not more than that. Next is magnesium. Magnesium is for proper functioning of the heart and muscles. Okay, to proper functioning of our heart and muscles, we should eat, or we should have magnesium. And from where we can get magnesium? From legumes, from broccoli, green leafy vegetables is very important. Whole grains and almonds, they are also very important. From all these things we will get magnesium. For proper functioning of heart and muscles, we need magnesium. And from where we can get magnesium? We can get magnesium from legumes, from broccoli, from green leafy vegetables, from whole grains, and from almonds. From all these things we can get magnesium. Okay, so hope you all have understood about minerals very well. If you have any doubt about minerals, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, it is very important for our body. In next class we will discuss about some more nutrients which are also necessary in our food items. All right, so till then, bye bye, take care.